Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you all?
We are fine, teacher. Thank you, teacher. How are you, teacher?
I am also very fine, children. Okay, do you like toys?
Yes, teacher.
Do you play with toys every day?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, tell me one by one which toy you like.
I like doll.
Very good.
I like chess.
Very nice.
I like elephant.
Super.
I like Ludo.
Very nice.
I like mobile.
Very good.
I like gun.
Super.
I like gun.
Nice.
I like gun.
Very nice.
I like gun.
Very good.
I like phone.
Very good.
I like stove.
Nice.
I like skipping rope.
Very nice. Okay, children. If your toys talking with you, just imagine what they talk, how they talk. Okay, children. Let us go to the RMSHLL toy shop now. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Come on, children. Talking toys. It was a holiday. The local market was full of people. The toy shop opened at 9 a.m. There were many toys like wooden toys, soft toys, board games, bats and balls, and many others. All the toys in the toy shop were waiting to see who would buy them. Look there, shouted the toy kitten. They saw two girls coming towards the shop, but they passed by just looking at the toys through the windows. Oh no! Exclaimed all the toys at once. After some time, a girl and a little boy stopped at the door of the toy shop. Their father stopped too. The girl pointed at the board games displayed in the shop. Finally, she chose the game Ludo. Oh, sighed the toys together. Next, they saw a woman and her son coming in. There was excitement in the shop among the toys. A talking doll said,
It would be so nice if they pick me up.
then,
I would be happy if they choose me. Namaste, how may I help you? Namaste, I like to buy a toy for my son.
said the woman, looking at the toys in the racks.
I want that Vande Bharat train.
Said the little boy, pointing to the toy train. I bought the Vande Bharat toy train. The little boy was happy. Then two girls came in. The toys looked at them eagerly. The aeroplane said,
Zoo friends, I think they would like to fly me.
said the aeroplane confidently.
Train, I think like to play with me.
Thought the toy phone. Then one girl bought marbles and the other bought the toy aeroplane. After a while, a group of children came into the toy shop and chose their favorite toys.
Wow, I like this toy elephant. I like these dancing dolls. I like this bird. I like swimming dog.
The children bought the toys. They left the shop cheerfully. Okay children, did you enjoy this story Talking Toys?